As labor costs continue to rise, manufacturing factories are increasingly pursuing automated production in order to save costs and improve production efficiency. Press brake is widely used. So how to choose a suitable press brake? The 4+1 axis ElectroHydraulic CNC press brake from Hoston features a self-driven backgauge system for increased speed, repeat positioning, accuracy 0.05 mm for perfect precision. The automatic curling system enables the user to offset deformations of the beam while bending. Thus, the angle is keeping constant along the entire plate legs. Competitive pricing with advanced ESA630 capable graphical controls or Stabilic Step Touch HPS, and you can also choose Delum ESA630T CNC control system. If you need a 6+1 axis press brake, then you can choose the ESA630T CNC controller. If you need a 9+1 axis press brake, then you can choose ESA690T CNC controller. What kind of press brake do you need? Welcome to contact us.